welcome to the vlog. Today is Friday. I last left you guys off in Branson. We've been so busy here with work and ministry, but it's a good thing. So I'm squeezing this vlog in this week. It's just literally gonna be me sharing my real finds with you guys. I did a holiday haul on therealreal.com. It sounds like an ad, but it's not. But the other day I needed some blazers, and I'm like, I want quality blazers, but I'm not gonna spend a lot of money. So literally I did a RealReal order of 12 designer pieces for less than $200, and that's shipping and tax included. So first item I'm going to share with you guys, because even for the holiday season, you guys can look classy, have quality pieces for a great budget, and I am a witness of it because I literally went on the RealReal for like a couple weeks, and I was hearting items, putting them in my wish list, and then one day at nighttime I was like, Press, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna purchase. So I went through the items, and literally blazers for $12, $15, great brands. I'll tell you guys the brands. So let's get started. This vlog is just gonna be me right here talking about the items. I'll try on some blazers for you guys, but the first item I scored and I'm so happy with are these pants. These pants are Redone, the brand Redone. I think I've got them for $11, $9, I think. $9. Can you believe that? Let's look it up. I will look at my RealReal account, and I should literally tell you guys how much each item is. Let me look at my emails, because honestly you guys could not go wrong. And I've been to Marshall's a couple times, and I was like, some of the pieces just got like balls and just the quality was not making me happy. So I was like, I'm just gonna buy designer on the RealReal, and for a fraction of the price. And I'm so happy because literally I am loving each item, and I've worn 2 already. But I've been trying to wait so I can show you guys. Okay, let me see here. I'm trying to find my email where it says, let's see here. It should pull up any second. They send a lot of emails. Okay, it says your order has shipped. So let's see, this should have all my details of each item. Let's see here. It's making me log in. I should have just logged in. And I feel like these prices are even cheaper than like consignment stores. Let's see here. My daughter. She's playing. Okay, here we go. Here we go. My purchases. Guys, this is going to be worth it. Thanks for holding on. Okay. I got these pants for $9, guys. You don't believe me? Let's let that focus in. $9. Okay. So, let's go to the next item. Okay, these are good. I got these Chloe pants. Chloe, the brand Chloe, for $18. I tried them on and they fit so cute. They're like a slouchy trouser. Oh my gosh. They are beautiful. Beautiful. And I'm like, the quality, and I made sure when I purchased everything that the quality is great. And yes, guys, these are Chloe for $18. They were probably like $400, $500 or more for these designer pants. So I needed trousers, so I got those. So I got 2 jeans. No, I actually got 3. Okay. I got 3 jeans. These ones, you're gonna laugh. I did not know that these were gonna be green, but because on the picture they look black and they're non-returnable. But I only got them for $15. They're the brand Mother, guys, Mother. And they are green, and I tried them on yesterday and they actually look cute. I think I'm gonna wear this with my Ralph Lauren bear sweater. I think that would look really cute. So yeah, they're quality, they're mother. They're not real leather. They're but the quality, if they're mother's, the brand mother, you already know they're gonna be good. And they actually fit me, so I'm happy about that. They're kind of slick, it's kind of tight, so but they're cute, and they were only $15. Okay, so those are the 3 jeans I got. And then I got this skirt. Let me see here. I just want to tell you guys the prices because this is too good. I got this Vince goat leather mini skirt, $19, real leather. And I tried it on. It's a little big, but, and then it wraps right here. It is so cute though. And for $19, you cannot beat that. Let me push y'all back a little bit so I could show you a little better. There. It's a skirt and it fits really cute, and with nylons and a sweater tucked in, it'll fit perfect. But yeah, so this is, and it's extra small. I couldn't go smaller, but it's real leather for $19. You cannot go wrong with that. And if you go to Marshall's or you go to any other store, TJ Maxx, if you go to Zara, you're going to be paying more than $19. Or H&M, you're going to be paying more. So you might as well get designer off the RealReal. I'm really promoting the RealReal on this vlog. Okay, and then let's do a little Love Shack fancy moment. I did spend a little bit more on this one, but not much. It's Love Shack size extra small. I spent $28, which you would go to Nordstrom's and pay $50 for a sweater. And this is Love Shack fancy. Oh my gosh, it is. I love Love Shack. I mean, come on. I'm like floral, cowgirl kind of style, but yet, yeah. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out my style still, but yeah. So this is a Love Shack sweater. It is so pretty. Look at that print. That sweater type, the condition was excellent, I believe. Very good condition. And I like looking at the conditions, and so that's one Love Shack moment. Okay, let's see here. Other Love Shack dress. This one was $23 extra small. And you guys have to realize, you know how expensive Love Shack fancy is? Go on the line and look up Love Shack fancy, and you will know and see how expensive it is. So this is a Love Shack fancy dress. It's all cotton. It's so pretty. I want to wear this probably for, I don't know. It's so pretty. I need to wear it. Maybe I'll wear it this Sunday. I think it's just so pretty, and it looks more like fall if I put like a pretty brown boot on. It is just gorgeous, and I love just a cute print, and I like the cotton. I should wear this with like nylons and boots for this fall. So pretty. And it's November. Today's November 7th. And I feel like I'm just trying to hold on to fall because I just love fall, because that's the entrance into like Christmas and New Year's. So I'm trying to hold on to fall right now. I don't want it to go. I mean, it's November 7th. Next week, I'm decorating for Christmas, and so that will kind of go out probably the last week of November is when my Christmas decorations go out, so for you guys. But I want to hold on to the holidays because it's my favorite. Okay, next we're going on to this frame blazer, size extra small. I paid $18. I needed some blazers for work and like church and stuff like that, so here I am with the blazer. Yeah, this sweater underneath. But so this is a pretty rose velvet sweater. I mean, blazer. It's so pretty. I am definitely gonna wear it. Let me take this off. I'm definitely gonna be wearing it a lot. Totally see me wrong. But, okay. There we go. So cute. Just a classic blazer. Oh my gosh. Matches my nails. But quality for $18, okay? Let's see here. Next blazer is going to be this Theory blazer that is size small. I got paid $13.75. Guys, $13.75. Like, you cannot beat that. And I've worn this one to work already because I love it. I wore it to a meeting and it fits me so well. It has like a pinstripe. You can see it's like pinstripe. It's so pretty. It's classy. You just throw on some jeans and you're literally like good to go. Like, you know, I love it. Okay. And then let's see here. Next one, we're going to do this one that I really do like a lot too. And we have a couple meetings coming up for the ministry. So I'm stocked up on blazers. And all I have to do is wear a blazer and like black coated pants or pretty denim and I'm dressed up. That's the best thing about blazers. You can be dressed up instantly, but you have to love the blazer and it has to fit you good. Okay, this one's really cute. Oh my gosh. It goes like this, but then like this clasp. So it's really cute. Okay, baby, we'll buy you that. She's been telling me, Mommy, this for Christmas? Mommy, buy me this? And I say, you need to pray and ask Jesus. And she prays and she says she's going to write a letter to Santa. Yes, this is my daughter talking up a storm now. It's wild. Okay, so this one is so pretty. Oh my gosh, the chain, again, with like a black even sweater or tank underneath or pretty blouse. And you look so classy with a pump and a heel. I mean, a pump and like a jean. I would do a jean. I like doing jeans so I look a little more like younger, you know? But this one was Tanya Taylor. This is a size small, $14. And guys, it takes me a while to shop on the RealReal. I look, ads, sometimes things get sold out and I'm like, okay, it wasn't meant for me. But you just, but the only thing is some stuff, if it's on sale, you can't return it. So you're stuck with it. Okay, this item was $14. This is the brand Joey, Joie. And this is an extra small. And I absolutely adore this one. This one has like silk and then the velour. It's just, this one's really like tuxedo-y, like for a special occasion, which I probably will wear it this week. It's a little snug, but it's not crazy bad. Like, it fits me still. Whew. We're gonna, Preston and I, we are getting ordained as ministers this and next week. So I'm gonna wear this with the black silk tank and black pants and black pumps, all black for that. And so I'm gonna wear this. We didn't even know. And so we got notified we're gonna do that. And so I was like, I have the perfect blazer. My mom always laughs at me because I always shop beforehand. I'll always be like, I'll buy things and then I'm like, when something comes up, I'm like, a perfect little item or outfit for an occasion that pops up. And I'm like, it's because I shop beforehand. And I don't spend a lot on my things. The most money I spend on things are on like designer purses. Not even my shoes. It's just more purses. You want that too? Okay. And last item is this Pendleton wool blazer, size medium, $12.50. Yeah, let's see here. This is wild. This is such a good deal. And I was like, I can wear this on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. I love the black buttons. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't know, I just feel like it's like for a Christmas event, classic Christmas. I have a couple Christmas things coming up, like a women's brunch, church, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. And so I think this would be a moment, and I don't know what and how, but I think it's a fun moment for holidays. So I always shop beforehand. I encourage you guys. We are a month out from Christmas, I would say almost a month when this video comes out. So do your shopping. holiday shopping now, so the week of you're not like looking for Christmas wear or for Christmas parties. You know, you're just on it beforehand, and that's one thing that I'm very adamant about. I'm like, I need to shop beforehand. Like right now I'm gonna buy Preston a Christmas gift for Christmas, and they have it and he asked for it. So I'm gonna get him that. I saw it, they're available right now, so I'm like, I need to get that for him before it sells out. I think last year they did sell out. And so things like that, I'm just shopping beforehand. Even like Rosie asked for something specific, I already got it. I'm just thinking beforehand, you know, because I know once the holiday comes. After this video, all my vlogs are going to be Christmas, and I'm only doing one vlog a week for Christmas. I'm not doing Vlogmas. I am kind of doing, I'll name it Vlogmas, but they're only going to be 4 videos. But I'm going to do more reels. So like I'll do a couple like reels of like if I'm baking, if I'm wrapping, like certain things like that, because I don't want to be editing all December. But I will do one reel a week, and I mean one video a week, and I will do reels. So cheers to the holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Super quick, but I'm excited because it's all exciting pieces of what I bought on the RealReal. And if you guys, you know, have any questions, comment down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I try to keep you guys motivated with fashion and kind of like lifestyle. But yeah, I'm just thankful that I got all these pieces because I'm gonna wear them, and I paid a fraction of the price. And I'm actually saving money in the long haul, the long run, because if I need something, if I go to the store, spend $100 on a blazer, I got all these blazers for under 20. So I'm so happy about that. I will see you guys next week. Remember, I think I said it, a new vlog comes out for you guys every single Monday. Cheers to the holidays, and I'm so excited for Christmas time, spending time with family, and I'm thankful for Jesus. Okay guys, I'll see you next week.